Okay, so let's see if you were able to figure it out. So we're translating, we're translating ABCD along vector RS to get ABCD prime. Was it translated correctly, and how do you know? So this vector RS is telling me to go down and to the right, okay? But how far down and how far to the right? So I'm going to look at each point and figure that out. So to get from D to D prime, I go down 1, 2, 3. So I'm going down 3, and then I'm moving to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this vector is telling me to move all the points down 3 and right 7. So let's see if it works for everything. So A is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to A prime. So it works for A prime. C is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the student translated correctly, yes, because all the points moved the same distance and the same direction.